Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we have a major, game-changing update from Ontario's immigration system that you need to know about right now. Effective June 26, 2026, the Ministry of Labour, Immigration, Training and Skills Development has officially launched Phase 1 of a massive redesign for OINP. Ontario has completely removed its existing 8 immigration streams. In their place, they are introducing a single, streamlined system called the Ontario Workforce Priority Stream. The EOI system is anticipated to reopen later this summer. Once it goes live, eligible candidates can register a brand new expression of interest under this fresh framework. Let's break down exactly what the new Ontario Workforce Priority Stream looks like. It is divided into 3 primary pathways. First, we have the TEER 0 to 3 pathway. This targets skilled, internationally trained workers across all TEER 0, 1, 2, or 3 occupations. To qualify, you will need a full-time and permanent job offer from an Ontario employer. Second, there is a specialized pathway for self-employed physicians. Recognizing the critical need for healthcare professionals, self-employed physicians may qualify for this stream without needing a formal job offer. Third, the program introduces the TEER 4 and 5 pathway. This opens up incredible opportunities for workers in lower-skilled or foundational occupations. Just like the high-skilled stream, this pathway requires a full-time and permanent job offer here in Ontario. This is a massive shift in Ontario's immigration landscape, designed to make the process more efficient and responsive to immediate labor shortages. Start preparing your documentation and reviewing the new criteria today so you are ready to submit the moment the portal reopens. Stay tuned as more specific criteria drop over the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.